Welcome everyone to the new garage. Yep, that is correct. I've got a garage now. So if you guys remember, a couple months ago I had a little storage unit, 300 square feet, enough for 1.5 cars, maybe 2. Yeah, let's just say the things have leveled up now. I just tripped over my jack stand and I don't even care. It's basically the size of a 2-car garage. Obviously we got the Corolla here and we've got space for one more. So I am genuinely super excited to be showing you guys this place. I mean, let's just go around and show you everything. We've got electricity, we've got a little fuse box here, and this is all the things that we get to look at. And it even has a light up there. I don't even have to bring my own lighting. There's a light up there. And I've tried it, I've closed the door, and the light genuinely is pretty good in here, even with it just being that one. So that's pretty exciting. We've got water here, we've got a drain here, we've got more electricity. Up there is a heater. No air conditioning though. Which is okay, because I have my own small air conditioning unit that I'm going to be bringing over here. So that is going to work out just fine. I'm so excited about this place. I just signed the lease for it today, so it's officially mine. I can officially do whatever I want in here. Well, I mean, I guess not whatever. I can't, light a fire in here. But I can do almost whatever. My old storage unit, no working on cars allowed there. That was just to get one car out of the parking lot because HOA was complaining because I own too many things. But yeah, now, I mean, how cool is this? That's a cool camera angle. I'm just so excited about this. I feel like a kid on Christmas in here. So yeah, anything car related I can do. I can swap engines in here, transmissions in here. I can turbo this car in here. I can do so much stuff in here. It's so cool. I mean, a bigger unit would have been nice, but at the end of the day, I do live in Colorado, so I'll take what I can get. I'm super excited. The electricity in here is gonna be good. I'm switching a lot of my tools to cordless now, so that's less of an issue, but some stuff still needs to have electricity, so that's that. This is gonna open up so many new avenues for this channel. I'm so excited to get started working on videos in here. It's gonna be very cool. Some of you might be looking at all of this and you might not be super impressed, right? This is not in any way a huge garage unit, but I'm leasing it. I'm a college student, so I was hoping to get a bigger shop. Like a shop. That would have been really cool, but you have to be realistic. Either way, I am still super excited about this place and I can't wait to get started. In fact, I'm going to start with something for the XRS today, which you'll see in the next video next week. Obviously you can tell I'm still just moving in. I've only got these here, jack stands, jack, and I've got the rest of my tools still in my car, so but yeah, I'm super pumped. This isn't the end either. It's not just this. There is more to be seen here, which you might not be expecting. So I mean, honestly, let's just go check it out. Ignore the beeping. There is an entire wash bay in here. Yes, I can wash the car in here without having to leave the facility. Look at this, check this out. I'm not gonna wash the car now. I genuinely still need to figure out how it works. But this is super cool. I'm not gonna get out and film there. I mean, it's just a wash bay. There's nothing too much to it, but still, it's just cool. It's just cool. I'm still gonna go to the other car wash that I normally go to. If some of you've seen my POVs, you know which one I'm talking about. That one has a foam cannon, so that one's got soap. Yeah, that one's, I think that one is still better than this wash bay here, because that one's got soap and all kinds of fancy stuff, but still, it has a wash bay and I can use it, which is very, very cool. Garage door doesn't want to open anymore. Whoops. The remote doesn't think I've paid my rent. There it goes. I'm gonna have to back up the blue Corolla. I didn't realize that because this garage door is not super wide. Yeah, I didn't leave myself quite enough space, but still made it. This is unreal. I have my own garage with not one, but two 9th gen Corollas. This is just funny. This is just funny. I mean, yes, I have other cars too, obviously. You guys, you guys know this. I have other cars, but these are the two that are in here, so. Oh man, I cannot wait to get started. This is going to be a game changer for this channel. I feel like in the past year, the videos I've been making weren't where I wanted them to be. And I think a lot of that came down to because I was working in the parking lot. I felt like I couldn't do everything that I wanted to do. But now, I mean, this has opened me up to so many new opportunities. I'm so excited. I know every video maker says this, but seriously, thank you for watching the videos. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten this great space because, well, I wouldn't have videos to film. So yeah. Thank you for watching the stuff. The channel is still growing super nicely, which I really appreciate. We may not be the biggest community in the world, but you guys still mean the world to me. You like that? I feel like that was a little too cheesy. Sorry if I made you guys cringe. That was cringe. Thank you everyone for watching today's video. In the next video, you get to see this getting installed. Whoops, just kidding, you can't see it. You can't see it because it's blurred. You're gonna have to wait. If you want to see what my previous space looked like, you can click this video right up here and compare it to this. So let me tell you, this is so much better. Also, if you're new here, click that subscribe button right there. That is greatly, greatly appreciated. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.